Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Today, we're gonna continue our TU Darmstadt for the course Information and Communication Engineering. And this is the third part of the video. In the second part of the video, we already filled in some personal informations, our second PUC details and other things. And here, I just told you that today we will we stopped at this part where we have to fill in the university entrance qualification. So this university entrance qualification would be nothing but your school living certificate, which is nothing but your PUC or 10th plus 12 combined. So in this video I will gonna show you how to fill in the PUC, then also in next steps how to fill in your bachelor degree details also, which you have done already. So after filling all those details, then we will upload the documents which they are asking, then we will submit the application. These are the important information that we're gonna cover in third part of the video. So please make sure, if you're watching this as a first video, then I will suggest you guys to go and check out our requirement analysis video, part 1, part 2 of application videos. Then you will get a complete picture. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into our videos, get to know our applications, how we are applying, and what are the requirements that German university needs, and how to apply, how to get into German university by no other external needs. So these are the things that I wanted to tell you. Without any delay, we'll get started. As I told you, here in the university entrance qualification, always if it is a university entrance qualification, you have to fill in your PUC. Think in such a way that university entrance qualification, the university that you have done until now is bachelor degree certificate. So in order to do that university, what was the entrance qualification you have done? So that entrance qualification or entrance or prerequisite that you have finished is Abitur in Germany, or in India and other universities are completely for India. If I'm looking, it will be our PUC, which will some people call it also 12th. So that's the reason I have filled in the date of university entrance qualification that we have finished at. That would be 16 or 2016 when I finished my PUC. Then type of university entrance qualification would be general higher education entrance qualification abroad, and there are so many other options, but I felt like general higher education entrance qualification would feasible. Country of higher education entrance qualification would be India. Then state of higher education would be foreign countries because it doesn't come under any of the German states. Then circle of university entrance qualification, we should not choose anything because no other options are selected because all other options are German state. Then grade conversion, as I told you, for this grade conversion you can directly convert by TUM official website. So that would be this official Bavarian formula grade conversion. So that's the same thing that they are also leading to. You can also click here, then they are saying please use the modified Bavarian formula. So for that you can just go to TUM website and search for grade conversion tool. You will get this link where you can convert your CGPA percentage into German grade. So in percentage you just have to fill in the percentage. So maximum percentage that you could have got in PUC is 100. The minimum passing percentage you would have got in PUC is 35. Then your overall percentage that you have got, then you can click on convert, then you will get a grade of German GPA for second PUC. So that's the grade you have filled in here. Then name of the school, that type of the school that you have done is I studied in Marimala Pass Pre-University College. So based on your experience or based on where you have studied your PUC, please fill in the details that you have studied. After filling in, then you can click on save and click on further. After once you clicked on save and further, then you will be asked for this question where Master of Science University of First Enrollment. So here if we have clicked on I previously enrolled at the college, so it is behaving weird because I clicked on yes or tick marked it, then I went forward, then it didn't ask for the bachelor degree details. Then I unselected or said no, that I don't have first enrollment. In the next step that it asked for the bachelor degree details. So people who have also contacted when I did last time TU Darmstadt, that some people asked I couldn't see bachelor degree details where I have to fill. If that is the case, then please unselect this check mark. You should not select this. If you select this, then in the next steps you won't see the bachelor degree spaces where you have to fill in. So in this place you don't need to do anything, just don't select anything, then you can click on save and click on further for next steps. Now when you click on no or not selected, then you clicked on further, then you will get the previous course of study which we have done is bachelor degree. Here we have to give in our bachelor degree details. So completion instruction for the course of study, yes, we have completed everything because we have also got the degree certificate. Course of study would be foreign countries where we have studied. Then from and to date would be when you started your bachelor degree, and then the to date would be when you have finished the bachelor degree. This would be approximately 4 years that we have done in our India for bachelors. Then the desired degree would be bachelor degree at university, which is a first degree, and people who are filling the master degree, which you have done bachelor first degree, then in second degree you have already done one master's in India, then coming for Germany for the second master, then you have to click on add entry and fill in again, then you can select the master degree, first degree, like that. Okay, then compartment would be electrical engineering, then land would be India where we have studied, and type of study would be study, because internship, and the other one is doctorate. So this doctorate would be not feasible, and internship is also not feasible. The study is the only feasible thing, that's why I have selected that. So here some people, or in future some people after watching this video, if you don't see this screen of filling, then you have made a mistake in the previous step where you have to unselect the check mark. Okay, don't forget that. If you still find, then please feel free to comment it out, then I will tell you where you have gone wrong. Then you can click on save, then you can click on further. Once you clicked on save and continue, then you will get the last page where you have to complete the application. So this is nothing but, if you have now selected save and application overview, you will return to overview page. That we have to do because we have to fill in the documents. Then if you have an OK for each area, then you can click on submit button, then the page will be submitted. Your application online is submitted. Okay, follow the instruction that will appear afterwards after you submit. Okay, if you like to complete your application at the later date, leave the application overview, then come back when you're ready and finish the application. Okay, so here they have just asked you to fill in the some rules and regulations that you have to tick mark. So please, I would suggest read everything legally and then select everything and tick mark everything. Then you can click on save and go back to application overview, because we have to check all check marks are set to okay. Now you can just see except documents, all other things are set to be okay because we filled in all details. Okay, then you can click on documents to be submitted for the master application. Once you clicked on documents to be submitted on master application, these are the documents that you need to fill in. So I will fill in and read the important details for you, then we will continue. At the time when you clicked on document to be submitted for MA application, these are the things that you need to fill in. So first thing, deadline for the documents to be submitted, and you can just click on the information, important information and cutoff period, and check for the when is the last date in order to submit. But if you have already there, then please submit and send the application. As we already saw, if you submit early, then you will get the admission early. Then application of admission enrollment. So after you submitting, you will get an application of admission enrollment, which is a page which will generally generate after once you submit the application. Here the application must be printed out, that application which will generate, and submitted by the post. So while sending the post, you have to also attach all desired documents which should be attested of as a Xerox copy. Don't send the original copy, please. There are some cases which people sent the original copies and asked me, no, you should not or never send your documents. Nobody ask also your original document. Never do that. Once you printed this application printed document, then get all documents that you have attached or you should be attached with a Xerox. Then with your original and Xerox copy, go to the lawyer where he can attest and show him the original and Xerox. Then they will verify both are same. Then he will attest the Xerox copy. Then you have to submit the Xerox copies only or post them to TU Darmstadt website. Okay, after you submitting. I made it clear once again. Then you need to fill in the application of admission enrollment. You don't need to fill in, but you will get the PDF already. You have to print it. Then with that you have to submit the current performance list. This would be proof of all study examination achieved already completed. So this will be your second PUC 10th bachelor degree details or bachelor degree certificate, and then you need to have at least 160 credit points. This usually everybody will have it. People who don't have it 160 credit points, then you need to have added advantage like work experience, courses that you have done, and certification that you have done, and internship that you have done. With that you can get rid of some of the credit points if you have less. Okay, after that you need to also give the current transcript of records of translation. So if your transcripts are not in English, then please translate that to English, then submit the application or submit the transcript. If you have already in English, then please attach your bachelor degree transcript, second PUC transcript, and 10th transcript, and these other things. Then identity card or passport. So this would be also your identity card that you have to fill in. So please submit your ID card, which will be your passport. After that you need to send the proof of language certificate, which will be C1. Then graduation certificate if you have already done. Okay, this graduation certificate would be nothing but your bachelor degree certificate that you have got at the last. Graduation certificate translation. If your graduation certificate is in your mother tongue language, then you need to translate it to English, then only you have to submit. Main information, don't submit the original copies, always send the attested copies. Then you can click on save and you can click on application overview. Once you are clicked on OK and submitted, then you can just see documents to be submitted at master application is OK. Then documents to be submitted for enrollment is open. You can click on that. Then you can just see what are the documents that they are asking here, and here they are asking you you need to give the APS certificate for bachelor degree. So here you will just give, I will submit this document. Okay, if you are not submitting or don't have it, then you can uncheck it and say I am not submitting it until the time the application is ended. You have to submit it. Okay, you cannot complete the application without giving the document. So people who have it, please give it. People who don't have it, you can also take a chance if you are not getting before the application deadline by filling in the registration and application form that you are already applied and say them that I have applied but I am waiting for the application. So these are the things that you can do. Then here I will just upload the APS document. Now I have uploaded the APS document. Here, as I told you, if you have proper APS document, then upload and submit. No need to wait. If you don't have, then you can also do two things. You can either wait until the application deadline is finished for your APS document to come, then submit the application. If you think like it is not coming before the application deadline, then please attach your registration form or payment receipt that you have done, and also application that you have applied, or some proof of saying that you have applied for APS and waiting for it. Please give in those details and submit the application. You can also take a chance like that. Then you have filled in all application overview also for enrollment documents. Then you can click on application overview. After clicking on application overview, then all the things of status should be okay. Then you are ready to submit the application. So you can directly send off or you can click on send off. I'll also submit the application because we have to generate the application overview page. So once you clicked on send off, the application will be submitted. But yeah, usually for sure I will get rejection in 2 days because I have submitted all dummy documents, but I'm just showing you guys in order to how to apply. After once you clicked on submit, you can just see the sending was successful or your application was sent online successful. Then please check the required documents for application under the section documents to be submitted. Okay, in some cases you will need to submit an application by post, so we have to send the application by post, so that is mandatory. Then if you don't have the submit the application by post, example unrestricted bachelor degree, so this doesn't comes under us. So however, if you have to submit a postal application, example application of master degree or a higher semester bachelor degree, this will be generated automatically after submitting the application. Your application will only become binding if the printed application has been received by the post at Technical University Darmstadt, okay, within the application deadline. So you have to also send in the application by post before the application deadline in order to be considered. Okay, then you can receive the application form via print. Here you can click on print, then you will receive the application form. You have to print this, then you have to also attach the all necessary documents that they are asking, then post it to University of TU Darmstadt post address. Then you can click on application form or information. Once you clicked on application form or information, I think you need to also fill in some information here. Maybe we'll check. You can open it. Once you clicked on open, and this is the form that is generated, and this has all information already because it has taken from our information. So here you can just check the information that you have given is correct. So you can just recheck it again. Then after that you need to give a sign somewhere. Then print this, attach all documents whichever they have asked for: APS, bachelor degree, second PUC, 10th, then what else, IELTS, and all your work experience, certifications, internships, any of the courses that you have done, makes them happy. So these are the things you have to attach with this application form, attested, not the original. Then at finally send the post to this particular address, which is TU Darmstadt address at this place, okay, before the application deadline. Then only your application will be considered and they will reply you back if you have got an admission or not. So I think we have completed the complete application procedure for TU Darmstadt for the course Information and Communication Engineering. Hope you guys liked it, and I think I have also explained everything in detail. If you still have any doubts, then please don't forget to comment it out. I will also take some time and moment, then I will also comment it out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks for your support. Please subscribe, and also please, people who are watching, 98% of the people who are watching and not subscribed, please, I will say subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.